This is a ChemDraw Structure. It allows chemists to draw molecules. You need the ChemDraw software to edit the bonds and atoms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the chemistry. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the CDS format, but we'll attack the top issues first. A CDS file is associated with ChemDraw, a chemical drawing and structure editing program. It stores chemical structures, reactions, and other related data. CDS files are used by chemists and researchers to create and share chemical information. Additionally, CDS can refer to a developer file containing source code or project data for software development. The internal structure of a ChemDraw CDS file is proprietary, designed to efficiently store chemical structures and associated metadata. Developer CDS files are plain text or binary, depending on the language. ChemDraw CDS files contain information about atoms, bonds, and other chemical entities, allowing for accurate representation and manipulation of chemical structures within the ChemDraw environment. The CDS format operates under the official standard set by ChemDraw from PerkinElmer. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows can load and play these files, but any advanced sound work relies on professional editors. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your CDS file and choose Open With. Test ChemDraw first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. When your CDS file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Because the CDS format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, use ChemDraw. Open the file in PerkinElmer ChemDraw to view 2D chemical structures, molecular diagrams, and lab notations. Next, use ChemDraw Viewer. Download the free ChemDraw JS or desktop viewer if you only need to see the molecule without editing the structure. Finally, open in Notepad. Open the file in a text editor to see if the chemical data is stored in a text-based format like smiles or inchy strings. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.